know if you've seen it, but the Queen, Ina Garten, has created a new bagel hack, and that is exactly what I'm making today. Anybody can cut a bagel into two. But with Ina Garten's recipe, I'm going to be cutting my bagel into thirds, which gives me even more room for eggs. I like to make my bacon in the oven at 375, so let's pop that in. Now, cutting a bagel into three is actually extremely difficult, especially when you use your wrong hand. But I did it! Look how good that looks. And now the real superstar. Eggs! I love this little circle thing. And please season your eggs. So far the only flaw with this method is I only have a toaster that has 2 slots. Now we can take it off and look at those beautiful edges! I don't know how I lived without having one of those. And now it's time to assemble. Get that third, I guess the second? I don't know. Which one's the third and which one's the second? Which came first, the chicken or the egg? That's a beautiful egg. And now it's all together. I just want to say that I did butter those bagels before I put them together, so don't call me out, you freaks. Look at how gorgeous. Ugh, I'm obsessed. I can't wait to eat this. Extra bagel surface area just means extra room for extra egg, which means extra protein, which means extra. How easy is that?